Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video we will set a default vendor using the item set application. Okay, so let's get started. Let's log in into Maximo using authorized user that have security permission to open item master application. So let's go to inventory module, item master application. So let's create a new item for now. Okay, we'll call it item 1. Item 1 in the description. Okay, our goal here is to add a vendor. So let's go to vendor. Okay, by adding vendor to this item, it will be the default vendor when you're purchasing or do anything related to this item. So that's what I need to explain in this video. Okay, so let's associate it with the vendor, all these details. Okay, so let's see we have any vendors. I think we don't have, so let's create a new one. Let's go to companies application. Create a new vendor. Okay, new. Let's say ABB. Currency will be USD. Company type. Let's choose vendor. Okay, it will be a vendor. Okay, all these data we could fill it, but for our purpose for this video, let's continue, save it, return with value. We will see all this data in other video, so please subscribe in the channel and share it with your friends. Okay, so now we associated this vendor to this item. When you do any purchasing, when you do any desktop requisition or anything like this, it will be the default vendor to this item. Okay, so check this box, default vendor. Okay, so you can add a lot of details here. So if we have tax code, we could add it here. Okay, promise delete time important field, 0 days, 1, 2, 3, whatever. Okay, order unit also important. Okay, it created on the organization level. We can add it to a site, but for now we will add it to organization level. Okay, you can fill this information. Last price is also very important for this item. Okay, to to make comparison between prices. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, we created an item, added a vendor, and don't forget to check this default. Okay, save it. Okay, now this item was associated with this vendor. Okay, thank you guys.